Guys, we're at the track and we're gonna do 3 races of 4 cars each, and then our final race will decide who the champion is of the mystery cars. Here is our lineup right here. As you can see, a nice variety of cars. Let's get to it for race number 1. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Ford Fiesta that takes the win in race number 1. Race number 2 cars are on the starting grid, all set and ready to go. Who's gonna take this one? Let's find out. On your mark, get set, go! And it's this Circle Trucker that takes the win in race number 2. And we're set for race number 3 cars. Here is our lineup, including the fan favorite Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo. Let's find out which one of these cars moves on to our final race. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Datsun 240Z that takes the win and moves on to our final race. And here we are, our 3 race winners. Let's find out who takes the win and is our Mystery Car Series 2 2019 champion. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Datsun 240Z that takes the win and is our Mystery Cars champion. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite of this Mystery Cars set.